Always put a piece of tape on my ramrod to where when I go down there I know where it's supposed to be, and that means it's bottomed out right there. I'm gonna do an opening interview right quick. It's Saturday, October the 12th. It's opening day of muzzleloader season. I've been sitting tight for about 30 minutes. I had a couple come up behind me before it was daylight, or right at daylight. Too dark to film, but they were kind of stomping around and smelled me a little bit. But anyway, it's early yet. My plans are to kill a doe this morning. But I don't know, I can't hardly make myself want to do it, but we'll see, maybe later on. But I brought a cooler full of ice just in case I do in my deer winch. So y'all stay tuned. And if I get some action, I'm gonna film it, obviously. All right. Hey, it's still pretty early. I just had 5 come up on me. I couldn't film a whole lot because it's the first time sitting in this stand. And they were 5 sets of eyes looking all over. You saw them stomping on the video, but I wanted to fan around and show you the rest of them and all that kind of stuff, but I couldn't. I'm doing right now what I call conditioning the deer. I like to set a new stand 2 or 3 times and just sit real still. And if they come up on you and bust you, you just sit real still. And eventually they won't be so nervous, but it'll probably take 2 or 3 times. So, like I said, I plan on killing a doe, but there's no way in the world I'm shooting the first doe out of the group right off the bat. I ain't never set this stand. I wanna hunt it really and sit and see what comes through here. I don't even want to shoot a doe, but I need some meat, so we're gonna see how it plays out. Y'all stay tuned, it's gonna get real. All right, everybody, that's gonna wrap it up. It was a good hunt. I saw probably, I don't know, 8 to 10 deer, and I never pulled the trigger, but it was fun. I enjoyed it. The good news is I don't have to clean my muzzleloader, and the bad news is I don't have any deer meat. So, but there's plenty of time. I mean, it's hard to shoot a doe right off the bat, first see it. I mean, because you want to see what's happening, you know, you don't want to break the sound barrier. But anyway, it's time to go and watch some college football now, eat some lunch. So, and next weekend's opening weekend of gun season, so it's gonna be fun. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope everybody's having good luck deer hunting. If you're not, I hope you have a great week coming up. So God bless each and everybody out there. This is Drinking L saying so long, everybody, from the peach state of Georgia.